Hey champs! Let's learn how to create a queue within Social Champ. Once on the Social Champ's dashboard, click on Manage Queue from the second left column. In the Manage Queue, select Create New and you will open to a new queue setup. Choose your working time zone from the drop-down available. Next, choose your desired account or multiple accounts for which you want to create a queue. In your busy schedule, compromising your social media presence? No hassle when you have Social Champ. Let's suppose you have high audience engagement around 9 a.m. on the weekdays and at 12 p.m. on the weekend and you do not wish to miss out. Simply add time slots by adjusting days and time according to your preference and save them right away. Moreover, if it doesn't fit, you can also give it the Social Champ's suggested time and then simply save it to create a queue. You can also create multiple time slots for the same account. Let's assume you need to create posts on Monday for a Facebook page at 2 p.m., 8 p.m. and 12 a.m. So simply create a queue for 2 p.m. and then another for 8 p.m. and then lastly for 12 a.m. You can edit or even delete the already created ones. Wondering how AutoQueue Next and AutoQueue Last works? Let's try it out. Create a post, then tap on the drop up and select AutoQueue Next and the Social Champ will shift your post to the first available slot in the queue. Or select AutoQueue Last and we will move your post to the last available slot. Yay! Your all posts are now in the queue. Happy managing with Social Champ.